Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, May 11th, and it starts our last week of online learning. So, we are going to take a look at compound words for our last spelling list for this year. Let's take a look at page 137, 138. Get those pages out, pause your video if you need to. We are going to take a look at compound words. We know that a compound word is made of two smaller words. We are going to use the two smaller words to write a compound word. So number one, we see basket plus ball. Our word is basketball. Make sure we're writing neatly. And I'll remind you that we do not need a space between the two words. Make sure those words are together to show one word. Number two, grandfather. Number three, we have flashlights. And your last word, sunburns. Use high frequency words to complete the sentences. So we have early and busy. Number five, my grandfather woke up very blank to help me pack for summer camp. So we know that early would make sense there. My grandfather woke me up early. And then it is going to be a fun and busy summer. Now you're writing in your challenge words. Your challenge words, we have continue and receipt. Receipt. Make sure I am spelling that correctly. Continue and receipt. Now you are going to complete page 138 on your own. You're going to write the two words that make each compound word. This is exactly like what we did on the other side. A couple of things I want to point out. Remember, for compound words, we write those together. Here they want us to take them apart. So they give you the word and you are going to split those two words apart. And then you have use a word from each column to write a compound list word. Cross each word off the list as it is used. These do not have to go in any order. So you can move throughout that list as you need to. When you write those words for 6 through 15, make sure that you are writing neatly, and also make sure that there is no space between the two words. Our compound words this week should show one word when we write them. I'll also point out to you that we have one proper noun. We have our day of the week. We have Sunday. So we want to make sure that we capitalize the S in Sunday when we are writing it for our page today. All right, guys, I hope you have a great Monday, and I will see you on Wednesday with more spelling practice.